In the test kitchen, we have like 8 to 10 Instant Pots going all at the same time. Chili, cheesecake, pudding. I love you. It's happening. Hi, I'm Belle from Williams-Sonoma. We Instant Pot all day, every day in the test kitchen. So I'm so excited to introduce the most innovative, easy to use Instant Pot model yet, the Duo Evo Plus. What's so great about this Instant Pot is that its new improvements are based on feedback from people around the world who love the Instant Pot as much as I do. So let's see how it works. I'm gonna press the saute function and just let the base of our Instant Pot heat up a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. One of the tweaks that Instant Pot made is that this new insert has a flat bottom so the oil won't pool around the sides, which will give you a much more even sear. Now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna add the andouille sausage. Get a nice sizzle there. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. I'm just gonna remove the andouille from the pot, add the beef. And then as always, I'm gonna season my meat with just a little salt and a little pepper as well. Now that all the pink is gone, I'm just gonna transfer the ground beef to the plate with the andouille. Next, I'm adding what's called the Holy Trinity of Cajun cooking. When I heard that the Instant Pot was coming out with a new model, I was really excited. This new thing is so easy to use. It's foolproof. It just makes life a lot easier. And last but not least, I'm gonna add our spices, some beans, some canned tomatoes. I'll add my meat back and water. Now let's put this thing under pressure. This new lid automatically sets to seal when it's closed, so you don't have to press any valve or worry about anything, it just does it for you. Okay, now we're gonna pressure cook on high for 30 minutes. I'm gonna press the pressure cook button, scroll on over to chili, press the center button again, and start. As you can see up here is the progress indicator, so you know exactly what's happening in the pot at all times. No more guessing. We've now gone from preheating up to pressure cooking, so now it's under pressure. We'll wait 30 minutes, and then we'll release the steam. Home cooks didn't like putting their fingers so close to the release valve, so they actually turned it into a switch. So all you have to do is just push it from seal to vent. Now that all the pressure's out, I'm gonna unlock the lid. I'll give you that little jingle, which means it's ready to go. I'm actually just gonna place the lid in this lid holder so you don't have to place it on the counter, which is awesome. I'm gonna stir in just a little scallion, and I'm gonna serve it up. It smells so good. You can really smell the smokiness of the sausage, all those great spices. I'm gonna garnish with a little cilantro and serve it with a cheddar biscuit. Just help soak in all that chili goodness. And there you have it, a Cajun twist on the classic chili made in the new Duo Evo Plus. To get one of these for your kitchen, head to williamssonoma.com.